Hi, my name is Malte. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Macherei Nagel. Today I want to show you how to perform Nanocolor total nitrogen tube tests using the Nanocolor TNB220 test kit. To perform the Nanocolor total nitrogen 220 tube test, you need the test kit itself, which is sufficient for 20 determinations, a 500 microliter piston pipette, suitable pipette tips, tweezers, a heating block and a photometer. In our case, the spectrophotometer Nanocolor Advance, which is perfectly suited for mobile and laboratory water analysis. The test kit comes with two boxes, box A and box B. All Nanocolor tube tests are labeled with the parameter, in our case total nitrogen, the measuring range, test number, lot and expiry information. Pictogram instructions can be found on the inside of the lids. Box A is for decomposition. It contains 20 decomposition tubes, the decomposition reagent and measuring spoon, and the compensation reagent Nanofix. Box B is for the determination. It contains 20 test tubes and the liquid reagent R2. Open the decomposition tube and add 500 microliter of sample to it. Please note that the pH value of the sample has to be between 5 and 9. It can be adjusted using sulfuric acid or sodium hydroxide. Afterwards, open the decomposition reagent and add 1 level spoon of decomposition reagent to your tube. Close the tube and shake it vigorously. Do not forget to also close the decomposition reagent after use. Open up the heating block and place decomposition tube A into it. Program the heating block to 120 degrees and 30 minutes. Alternatively, you can use 100 degrees and 60 minutes. Press Start to decompose. After the heating process, take out the hot test tube and invert it once to get a homogeneous mixture without condensation. Place the test tube into the cuvette holder and let it cool down to room temperature. Open the decomposition tube after it is cooled down to room temperature. Take 1 Nanofix compensation reagent and add it to the decomposition tube. Close the decomposition tube and shake vigorously. Do not forget to also close the Nanofix reagents. Open the test tube from box B. Now open the decomposition tube from box A. Pipette 500 microliter of the decomposed sample into the test tube from box B. Take a new pipette tip and pipette 500 microliter of reagent 2. Pipette it carefully into the test tube from box B. Close the test tube and mix it by inverting it 3 times. Have a close look on the solution. It has to be homogeneous. If it is not homogeneous, please continue mixing by inverting the test tube. Do not forget to close reagent 2. Clean the test tube thoroughly. Check the solution for turbidities. The tube tests are sensitive to turbidities. Make sure to always have the NTU check activated to prevent wrong results. Place the test tube into the cuvette slot. The instrument automatically detects the right test and starts the reaction time. Wait for the reaction time of 10 minutes. After the reaction time has ended, the Nanocolor Advanced determines the result and it is shown on the display. Typical interferences are chloride and too high levels of total nitrogen. Chloride ions interfere from a concentration of 10,000 mg per liter or higher. They lead to faults to low results. The presence of chloride can be seen by a pink color in the solution. In doubt of chloride concentrations, Quantifix chloride test strips can be used to quickly check the concentration. The chloride concentration can be lowered either by dilution or by the use of the Nanocolor chloride elimination cartridges. Very high concentrations of total nitrogen, which are above double the measuring range, for example over 440 mg per liter in case of the Nanocolor TNB220, can be misinterpreted as values within the normal measuring range. So you receive faults to low measurement results. A dilution series helps to identify this issue. You can, for example, perform a 1+9 dilution. If this does not lead to a tenth of the measurement value, the result was erroneous. All important information can also be found in instructions for use, the pictograms and a certificate of analysis. All these documents are available on our website, which is directly accessible via the barcode on the back of the box. Just scan it with your smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss a single upload. If you have open questions, contact us via phone or email. I hope to see you back soon on this channel.